afternoon to you. You're watching Breaking Ground on Times Now. I'm Pratibha. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Just hours to go for the Delhi Assembly elections. But before the first vote is cast, the politics continues to peak. In the latest, Swati Maliwal has alleged that over 50,000 luxury flats meant for slum dwellers under a scheme lie in the ruins due to the delays by the Delhi government. She has accused the government of rebranding the project as Mukhyamantri Awas Yojana for publicity. She claims that slum dwellers continue to live in bad conditions without even the basic amenities because thousands of crores have been wasted. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Big charge by Swati Maliwal. Meenakshi, she claims that though luxury flats have been made for the slum dwellers, they're not being occupied and their plight continues.
Well, absolutely. So, Pratibha, as we were telling our viewers, the Delhi dangle is escalating. On one hand, obviously, there is a big war of words between Atishi, the EC, COPS and the BJP. And on the other, Swati Maliwal, a former aide of Arvind Kejriwal, has put out a long tweet. She's pinned this post as well, where basically she claims that there were thousands of slums which were made. Basically, there were flats which she claims were made for slum dwellers under a scheme of the Delhi government. But she says that the scheme was only in paper. The allocation was never made. I'm going to very roughly translate her post as well, because this is a post which has been put out by Swati Maliwal. She says, and I quote, 50,000 plus luxury flats were built for slum dwellers in the national capital. Poor people were supposed to get these flats under the scheme, but this was going to be with the partnership of centre and Delhi government. And then she goes on to target Kejriwal and Delhi government specifically, saying that Kejriwal wanted the scheme to be publicized in his name and the flats to be distributed by naming the scheme, quote unquote, as Mukhyamantri Awas Yojana. Due to his hunger for publicity, the Delhi government never ended up allotting these flats to the poor people, and now these flats are in ruins. She's in fact put out a video also of these flats where she herself seems to be explaining what she claims is the condition on ground. And then she goes on to say thousands of crores of rupees of the government have been wasted, saying that slum dwellers did not get the houses they deserve. Today slum dwellers are living a hellish life. Life is passing amidst the problems of no road, drains, sewers and dirty water. If this is not Kejriwal's anti-poor mentality, then what is it? So that is a tweet which has been put out by Swati Maliwal, and I'm sure one of our reporters will join us with more on this.
All right, so this is the video that Swati Maliwal has posted, and while posting this video, she is also walking around this entire area and showing the condition of these flats. Now remember, these flats have been made for the slum dwellers as part of Housing for All. And look at the condition of it. Swati Maliwal posting this video and saying this is completely abandoned. There are no facilities available. In fact, she has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of rebranding this entire project as the Mukhyamantri Awas Yojana just for publicity, saying that on one hand, while there is a lot of publicity taking place, this is the actual condition on the ground. And she has posted a video walking around the entire path, and you can see there are no occupants in any of these houses. So Swati Maliwal's claim is that while these houses have been given, big announcements have been made, but these houses remain completely deserted because of the politics around it, saying that this building is in absolute ruins. My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, what we're seeing on the screens is a video that has been put out by Swati Maliwal. Once considered a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, she has now exposed the Aam Aadmi Party. What are the details?
Well, you see, Swati Maliwal, not for the first time ahead of Delhi Assembly elections, has been, in fact, going to such areas where there is, in fact, according to her, there is no cleanliness maintained. The roads are poor, and in fact, she's also highlighting the construction in that particular area, the open sewage system, the open drainage system. And in fact, we have seen that day before yesterday also, she took the truck of garbage in front of the residence of Arvind Kejriwal at 5 Firoz Shah Road. And in fact, there she dumped all the garbage yesterday. And in fact, before that, she also took the water from Yamuna and then she poured that water over the portrait of Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, she has been saying that Aam Aadmi Party is not doing any kind of work here in the national capital. On the other hand, if we talk about Aam Aadmi Party's, in fact, reaction on so as to what has been reflected on social media by Swati Maliwal, or the kind of statements that have been made. So Aam Aadmi Party has been calling her the agent of BJP, and not just that, but also saying that she is working in the parallel lines of the BJP, and that at a point of time, in fact, when we saw that in fact there were allegations on Vibhav Kumar by Swati Maliwal. At that particular point of time also, Aam Aadmi Party said that it is a conspiracy that's hatched by the BJP. It's a scripted thing that has entirely happened, and then there were war of words we saw. But yes, as of now also, this is what, as you have rightly mentioned, that Swati Maliwal has been posting the videos over social media and in fact highlighting several problems, the ground problems that the people of Delhi have to face. But as of now, as far as this fresh controversy is concerned, we are yet awaiting for an official response from Aam Aadmi Party. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So an official response still awaited, but a video being posted by Swati Maliwal where she says that these houses were meant for the poor, but it has been completely unoccupied. But Tejashree, she also goes on to say that the project had been renamed as the Mukhyamantri Awas Yojana. Where is this project, and has she said whether this is the only project, or has she accused the Aam Aadmi Party of hindering several such projects that have been introduced just for publicity?
Well, you see, she has in fact in her social media post have mentioned that I would just like to read out the first two lines of her social media tweet where she says that दिल्ली में 50,000 शानदार फ्लैट झुग्गी वालों के लिए बनकर तैयार हुए. केंद्र सरकार, दिल्ली सरकार की भागीदारी से स्कीम में गरीब लोगों को फ्लैट मिलने थे, लेकिन केजरीवाल जी चाहते थे स्कीम का प्रचार उनके नाम से हो और योजना को मुख्यमंत्री आवास योजना नाम देकर फ्लैट बांटे जाए. उनकी प्रचार की भूख के चलते ये सब फ्लैट दिल्ली सरकार ने कभी गरीबों को आवंटित नहीं किए और आज ये खंडर हो गए. And in fact she is herself showing all those pictures. She is traveling to all those areas, and in fact she is alleging that the flats have not been allocated to the ones for whom they were meant to allocate. And in fact that is why she is also showing in the video she has posted the
Alright,
video.
so let's see what the response of the Aam Aadmi Party is going to be on that. Thank you for joining us with those details.